Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tips of Trips. So this time we stayed in Holiday Inn Resort, Mubor Beach. So it is in South Goa. So I must say this is the best stay we ever had in Goa. So I would really recommend for the couple, but at the same time a lot to offer for those who are traveling with kids, family, so they can enjoy. Going further, this is the reception area. There is a beautiful fountain. So as you can see, the reception area is very spick and span and well maintained, and there is a huge sitting area, so no hiccups if they have multiple guests to check in at the same time. So you can sit, you can enjoy, have pictures, and also they welcome with their welcome drink. So it's Christmas time, so we visited. So they have decorated the reception area. As you can see, the pool is located right in center, so very close to all types of room like pool view room, ocean view room. Also they offered 3 different kinds of restaurant. So first one is in the ground floor, which is the Zest, so it is multi-cuisine restaurant. And moving further, I will tell you the other 2 restaurants which are there in this resort. So you can ask them to provide a property tour in the buggy, and it is really very much needed so that you can plan your stay accordingly. And also the buggy person will explain the details about the property. So as you can see, the whole resort is covered with different kinds of trees and plants, which really gives a good vibe, and you are very close to the nature. This is the parking area, which is very close to the resort entrance. So beside the reception area, these are the villas, and these are very good. So when you are coming with a big family or with your friends, big group, so you can enjoy staying here in the villa. So the property is so huge that you will never feel crowded. These huge coconut trees, plants, greenery will surely give you a stress-free stay. So you can thoroughly enjoy your stay. Also, it have a kids play area to have fun and activities with your kids. So they are also providing indoor activities as well for the kids, like racing simulator for car and bike, foosball, pool. So these are on nominal charges, so you can pay and enjoy. I believe this is the biggest resort we ever stayed in. I have been to Goa for 5 to 6 times, but this is the what we like the best. Going further, the best part, the private beach for the guests, those who are staying in the property. So it's a white sand beach and very clean. So you can see sunbeds are provided here, so you can sit back, relax and enjoy your drinks. So we have the second restaurant, the Ocean Grill. Basically it serves the seafood, but also at the same side they have Indian cuisine in their menu, so you can enjoy. So this one is the third restaurant which serves the Mediterranean food, and in front of that we have spa, salon and a separate gym as well. So now it's time for a room tour. So the room has sufficient space. It is quite modern and with basic amenities like locker, wardrobe, hair dryer. So moving forward, here we have an electric kettle, coffee mugs, pouches of coffee, tea, milk and sugar. There is a mini fridge. Usually they should provide the complimentary drinks, but here we don't have that. So in the left hand side we have the washroom area. So we have all the toiletries, like as you can see, the shaving kit and dental kit, shampoo, conditioner. It's really hygienic and clean washroom. We have separate shower area, and we have soap, liquid soap, conditioner, towels and bathrooms. So the room is very clean and it comes with a workstation, so if you have work, so you can do that. So it has a balcony as well. So our room is a pool view room. So it gives a very scenic view. Also sit out to enjoy your tea and coffee. So as you can see, the view is really very good. You can sit, enjoy. So this was our marriage anniversary. So you can see they have decorated our room complimentary. So the staff were very helpful and keen to assist us at any point of times. You can see it is looking very nice. So here the resort is so big that you can play outdoor games as well. So like cricket, badminton, and my son loves to play cricket, so we thoroughly enjoyed playing cricket with him here. And it's December month, so the climate is so very pleasant even in the daytime. In the night time, the beach side, they were playing some music, and live singing was also going on. So it was a very special evening. Out of all these 3 restaurants, there we had the best food. We complimented the head chef as well, so the food was really very yummy. So thank you for watching my video. If you really like it, please do like, subscribe my channel, and I will be back soon to share a new experience. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tips of Trips. So we recently stayed in a Royal Orchid Beach Resort and Spa, and which is located in South Goa. So we booked Royal Suite and it was an amazing stay. So entering the suite, we have a huge hall having a big sitting area. Then we have a gorgeous view of a swimming pool. You can enjoy your tea, coffee, and have the beautiful view. Also, they have provided the basic amenities like electric kettle and the coffee mugs, tea bags, sugar, coffee pouches, so you can enjoy coffee and tea, and a mini fridge having drinks which you can enjoy and then pay later. So moving forward, in our right hand side we have a washroom, so I will show you the washroom as well. So as you can see, it looks hygienic and clean. Also we have a separate shower area. Also bath throbs, soap, lotions, everything is provided there. Also a bathtub, so I personally enjoy it with my kid as he is allergic to cold, so we just filled it with lukewarm water and he thoroughly enjoyed that. And we have basic dry amenities, as you can see, toothbrush, toothpaste and shaving kit, so shower cap, all these are provided here. And moving ahead, there is a luggage area, and also you can use this as a changing area. So this is good space, so you can see we have 3 suitcases, so we have already, so it can be utilized for that. A big mirror. And now we are entering in our bedroom, which is very modern and spacious. We have fan also, so for the season, so you can use fan, no need of AC. Also there is a separate TV. We have a TV in hall and room, and here's some dry stuff, so you can enjoy and pay later. And a workstation, so if you have any work, so you can do it here. So we have side tables and light lamp, everything is provided. Personally, what I love about this room is the private swimming pool area. So you can see we have a sitting area and it is covered from all sides, so you can enjoy your privacy. There's a fan also. So private pool to yourself is clearly the need of the hour, so this is the best part of this suite. So it's not deep, it's 4 feet, so your kids can enjoy here. You can enjoy with your family. It's totally neat and clean. So it was a great stay. So thanks for watching this video. So if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we'll upload more videos.